Hi there, hi everyone, hi guys, welcome. Today in the additional of today's newspaper of Thursday, yes, Thursday, July the 21st, 2022. We have here 7 extra puzzles in this additional, and those puzzles are the letter Sudoku. Oh, what a misprint for the publisher. Well, those are misprinted puzzles. Sudoku with 2 stars, Sudoku with 3 stars, and we have a Sudoku with 4 stars. Well, apologies for the misprint of the newspaper with all those puzzles. Then we have a tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, 1 star, and in Dutch they call it cijferblok, and 1 binary. And those puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve. Otherwise, it's too much for me. So, can you keep up? Yes, can you keep up with all those puzzles? Every day, average, we have 5 puzzles, sometimes 6, sometimes 7. But can you keep up? Yes. 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve, and because it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Otherwise it will be a day job for me. So half of them I will solve. I will solve the 3 stars, the 4 stars, tectonic with 4 stars, and the binary. But first, the 3 stars Sudoku number 4886, I will believe. Yes, 4886. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 25 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? And for 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have only one. We have 2 twos, 2 threes, 3 fours, 1 2 fives, 3 sixes, 3 sevens, 2 eights, and 2 nines. So the 3 nines, 4 nines. Wow. Let me see if I can start with the 9. So the 9s are in majority. Alright. So let's get started with the 9. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row. So no 9 there, 9 should be there. Okay. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the first row. So no 9 there, 9 should be there. Alright. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. In the last column, one of the missing numbers is a 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. Here 9 in the third row, so no 9 there. Here 9 in this row, so no 9 there. So the 9 in the last column could be here, here, or there. Look, we have already have a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. The 9 in the last row, so no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. Alright, now I cannot continue with the 9. Let me see. Which number can I pick? 8, 8, 8. Alright. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. So then 1, 6, 5. Okay. Alright. Then let me think. 3 in this third column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 7, 7, 7. We have a 7 in the... we have 4 sevens also. Interesting. Overlooked. 7. Sorry. 7 in the third row. 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the first column, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. Alright. Cannot continue with the 7. Need to wait. How about the 6 in the first column, 6 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Okay. I'm thinking. Yeah. The 8 should be there, yeah. Let me see. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 158, 158, 158, and look, we have a 5 in this column, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1 and 8. 1 and 8. Okay, so we have now 2 missing numbers in the second column. Those numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 4 in this third row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So we have a 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the last column, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4, 4. 4, 4, 4. 4, 4. Okay. Alright. Then. 5 in this row. 5 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 158, 158, and look, we have a 5 in this column, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1 and 8. 1 and 8. We have a 1 in the second row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. Okay. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 1. Oh, wait. The 1 in the third row. The 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and the 6, 1 and the 6. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Now we have a 1 here. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 1 and an 8 earlier. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be an 8. The 1 in this row, the 1 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. Alright, and 1, 1. 1 on 1. Cannot continue with 1 now. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Then 2 missing numbers in the first row for the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the third row. So the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, so no 2 there, 2 should be there. And then 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is no, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 3, 5, 6, 3, 5, 6. And look, we have a 6 in this row, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5. We have a 5 in this middle column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in the second row for the number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the last column, so the column between only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the middle row, so no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 9, okay. Alright. Then 1 box left in this row for number, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, and 8. We have 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So we have 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. We have a 3 in this row, last row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in this column for the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next down, only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there. Here, 5 in the last row, so no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 5. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So the row between only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used, I can see. Digit number 3, number 3. Alright. 1 box left in this column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 6 in this row, last row. 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used, I can see. Digit number 4, number 6. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in the last row. So no 7 there, 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have a 7 in the last row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 8 goes there. The 8 in the last row, the 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1 marks left in the last row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see here 4 in the first column, so no 4 there, 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 1 in the third column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left, the same numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Well, is this really a 3 stars? Well, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one, yes. I really do think so. Although it is a misprint, yes, a misprint by the publisher. Well, anyway, I like this one. If you like this too, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle, a 4 stars Sudoku. So, can you keep up? Can you keep up? Yes. Alright. See you then. Bye-bye for now.